Hi everyone, Dr. Lisa here. In this week's video, we're going to talk about the top ingredients to avoid in our personal care products. So I have a running list for you today, and I'll show you how you can turn over your bottles of the things that you're using and look for those ingredients in the ingredient list. And then of course, I have recommendations for you on some companies that I believe truly are clean beauty, and they have your health and my health and the health of the people we know and love in their best interests. So to start off with, number one, these are in no particular order, but number one, triclosan. Triclosan. That's the ingredient you will see on the bottle or on the packaging. This is an antibacterial and antifungal agent that we often find in body washes, toothpaste, and hand sanitizers, and also potentially cosmetics. It is linked to skin sensitivity, liver damage, and hormone disruption. It is a hormone or endocrine disruptor and may be linked to cancer. Number two on the list, parabens. I did a whole video on parabens because of how important this one is to avoid. This again is an entire class of hormone or endocrine disruptors, which means that it disrupts our normal hormone balance. And in the case of women, for example, we know that parabens are found inside of breast cancer tumor cells and may promote the growth of breast cancer tumors. It also has an impact on men. We have seen it linked to lower sperm counts and less viable sperm. So it is a factor for both men and women to consider. Now, it is used as a preservative in our products, so it's in lots and lots of things that we're using to keep mold and fungus and bacteria from growing in those products. When you look on your ingredient list, look for words that end in paraben, P-A-R-A-B-E-N. So you'll see something like methylparaben or isopropyl paraben, something like that. So you're looking for a long word that has that combination at the end of it. Next up, phthalates. And this word it's not spelled like it sounds. It actually starts with P-H. P-H-T-H-A-L-A-T-E-S. And so if you see that word on the back of your ingredient list, and again, it will probably be on the tail end of a much larger word like diethyl phthalate, then this is one that you'll want to stay away from also. It's another preservative used in our bottles to keep them clean, and they are hormone and endocrine disruptors, just like parabens. Next up, SLS or sodium lauryl or laureth sulfate. These are lathering agents that we often see in shampoos and soaps to give it that frothy, lathering type of effect. It's also found in toothpaste to give it that foaming effect when we are brushing our teeth. Number 5, fragrance. Now we know by now that fragrance, that one word on our ingredient list, actually can mean hundreds, if not thousands, of ingredients. Fragrance is considered a trade secret in the United States, and so companies do not have to disclose everything that they're putting into what that fragrance is. So yes, it's giving our products scent, but it could include all of the things that we've talked about so far, plus more. Phthalates, parabens, other things like that we know are having a harmful effect on our health. So if you see fragrance, perfume, or parfum, P-A-R-F-U-M, the French word, you want to stay away from those as well. Next up, propylene glycol. It is used for providing hydration in soaps and shampoos and other beauty products. It can cause skin irritation, but also damage to the kidney and the livers, as well as what we call neurotoxicity, or being toxic to our nerves in children in particular. Next up, coal tar dye. This is a coloring agent that is used in dandruff shampoos, bubble bath, toothpaste, and hair dye. It is a known human carcinogen, meaning that it has been linked to cancer, and it can cause things like asthma attacks, headaches, nausea, fatigue, things like that. So you'll want to look for coal tar dye on your ingredient list. Next up, these are some long ones, and I'm grouping them all together, 3 of them. DEA, which is diethanolamine, TEA, triethanolamine, and MEA, monoethanolamine. These are solvents or emulsifiers that are found in shampoos, conditioners, lotions, and bubble bath. They can cause allergic reactions, but are also have been linked to cancer. Coming to the end here, next up is formaldehyde. It is used in shampoo, nail care products. I often see it a lot in nail polish, baby products, deodorants, toothpaste. It can aggravate allergies, irritate the skin, burn your eyes, nose, and throat, and it also can boost our cancer risk and is a known neurotoxin. So again, it can be toxic and very, very dangerous to our nervous system. Mineral oil is the next one. This is a byproduct of petroleum and is used in liquid products. So liquid foundations, skin creams, baby oil, sometimes also in powdered products like blush. It coats the skin like a plastic film and can clog pores and prevents our skin from eliminating toxins. But we also know it can increase our risk of cancer as well. All right, two more for you. The second to last one is aluminum, and really I would broaden that to any type of heavy metals. So we want to make sure that the companies that we are trusting for the things that we're putting on our skin are looking at their heavy metal use as well and their heavy metal contamination. But aluminum in particular is found in a lot in antiperspirants. It is the ingredient in antiperspirants, and so switching to just a deodorant is better. But again, you can check on the label for aluminum. It is a central nervous system toxin, a neurotoxin like some of the others we've talked about, and it has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. And then last up, fluoride, particularly in toothpaste, whitening agents, and mouthwash. Fluoride accumulates in the body and can inhibit thyroid function, contribute to bone disease, and is a known carcinogen or cancer-causing agent. So check out my video on how to find a safer toothpaste. And I'm always recommending fluoride free because we get plenty of fluoride in the fruits and vegetables that we eat. We don't have to be getting it from our products too. So take a look at my other videos where I cover some of these more in depth individually, and hit that subscribe button if you want to know when a new video is available. See you next time.